Hello and welcome back to episode 21 of 30 Days, 30 Logos. That's 3 times 7, 21 episodes already. Thank you for tuning in. Today we have an email from Stephen Young. Hello! Ice cream. It's what we're about and we want the logo to scream ice cream. See what I did there? Sprinkles is an ice cream shop with stores across the United States. We pride ourselves in the best tasting ice cream on the planet. We've won numerous awards for our taste and innovative flavors. We're like the Willy Wonka of ice cream. For the logo we require the text sprinkles and then some kind of icon or visual element to represent ice cream and or the sprinkled topping. We want bright, fun and tasty. Stephen Young, sprinkles. Let's get right into the logo, Stephen Young. So I started off sketching a scoop of ice cream with some sprinkles on it with the word sprinkles in front of it, and I thought, hey, let's just make that right away. So I made the melting scoop with a couple of circles on the pen tool, and then I made a sprinkle with the pen tool and I recolored it and just duplicated them loads. Then I wanted to make the melting part a sauce, so I thought of chocolate sauce, so I tried brown, but it felt weird, it didn't work. And then I thought, I can just make it be the ice cream melting. Then I added an ice cream cone underneath it, and I wanted it to have the ice cream cone pattern. So I made a lot of squares with the pen tool and I duplicated them and duplicated them and duplicated them and put them on top of the ice cream cone. And I made them thicker and thinner and changed colors. And in the end I found it too busy and it didn't work, so I removed them. Then I added a few more sprinkles, and I added sprinkles on the melting part as well, which I then removed because I found it too busy. And then I thought, hey, maybe I can make the word sprinkles made out of sprinkles. So I tried that. I found it to be not very pretty, so I went on with the other idea. So I set out to find a font that would match the ice cream, so it would have to be playful, fun and a little bit weird. And I found Coyote Semiball Demo. So I put the text underneath the ice cream and gave it the colors of the sprinkles on top of the ice cream. And then I gave it an outline and put it in front of the cone. And I also made a version where it was under the cone, and I liked that one the most. I started making the black and white versions, and here's the final result. I'm really happy with it. I really like it. It's really colorful, really inviting. It screams ice cream,
which is what the guy wanted.
So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. The final images and the mock-ups can be seen on my site, which is also linked down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of 30 Days, 30 Logos. Bye bye.